Hello to everybody, that's Martisha C. Welcome to my channel. I'm an artist. I started my art career 1 year ago and already I have some information what I can share with my followers and my subscribers. So if you're still not my subscriber, come here. Today I want to talk a little bit about the places where you can sell your artworks or any handmade work you're doing, but I'm an artist, so I will talk about my own experience and my knowledge. So the first place, of course, that's your own website. Lot of people, I heard so many times, how people saying about that, what, oh my god, if you don't have your own website, nobody takes you in serious. Like the real artist, whatever you do, you need to have your own website. Yes, that's true. From one side, I don't have my own website uh, because of that. I'm just a beginner. I'm a beginner of selling. So when you have your own audience, when you have some clients, when you have a lot of subscribers, a lot of people know about you, then you can create your website. This is my opinion. Second way, this is Spotify. Something similar like with the website. It's just easiest to have a Spotify than to have your own website, but this is almost the same game. Number 3, eBay. eBay. eBay, this is incredible platform, and a lot of people came to find something interesting in eBay, and especially if you're don't really creating an art, if you're creating a decor, I think the eBay is the right place to make and to sell your artworks, because this is a really cool, this is really incredible place. A lot of people, they're already fresh, they're already ready to spend some money, so eBay will be nice place to selling whatever you want to sell. It's not all the time about artworks, it's not all the time about big art with some meaning. It just can be just a normal beautiful nice picture or sculpture without any specific meaning, just something beautiful on the walls. Of course, places to sell in a person, like coffee shops, restaurants, some festivals, some exhibitions, small or biggest, or just something physically where you can show your artworks, where you can show your sculptures, where you can show whatever you wanted to show, whatever you're creating. So the professional, it doesn't have to be something super duper specific. And of course, Instagram and the Facebook, it's almost same for selling. I think so. It depends where you like to be more. For example, me, I'm not living in the United States. If I was in the United States, probably Facebook would work for me better than Instagram, but I'm selling a lot of my artworks by Instagram. This is one of the best platforms if you wanted to sell your artworks, and if you want to know some details, please comment below. I'll read it. I want to create a gift, some knowledge, and share my knowledge how to sell on Instagram, so we can discuss. Just write me the topic, and somewhere there you will find the link, some similar tips about that, how to sell your artworks and how to be successful artist. And my top, and the top of the top for me, and for my opinion right now, that's Etsy. I made many mistakes from the beginning when I just created my Etsy shop, because I'm not living in the United States. I'm repeat again. So I made many mistakes, but still I think what Etsy is the best place to sell your artworks. If you don't have a gallery, even if you don't want it to create the art with a deep meaning, if you want to create just beautiful something, Etsy, this is the best art platform, from my opinion, because this is the concentrate space with the people who came to spend the money on handmade. Whatever handmade you did, whatever handmade you're doing, wall decor, just decor, sculpture, accessorize, whatever you're doing, Etsy is an incredible place. I really think so. And I am ready to give them some permit for that, but of course they don't take a lot. But I really think, what if you are a beginner, the best place to sell your artwork, especially if you're living in United States or in Canada, because from my opinion, Etsy more tolerance to the shops what was created in United States. So if you're living in United States, Canada, you can open your Etsy shop. You will be much faster successful artist than me, because geographically I'm super far from United States. So, but even for me it was work. I'm still selling a lot of my artworks to United States from my Instagram and because of Facebook. And Etsy shop, I'm working on it, but I'm sure when you understand what is it ACO, how is working the marketing, and how to advertise yourself and how to create good artworks, you'll be a successful artist on Etsy. So this is the very important thing. But I'm talking right now about that platforms, about that places what can be good for artists who is just a beginner on sales as me. That was my visions of the places where is the better to sell your art, whatever art is that. And if you're interested in some specific topics, if you're interested in something and you want to know whatever topics you want to know, please write it in a comment. I will know that what you want to see, and I'll start to create that content what you want to eat. So that was Martisha C, your honest artist. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please comment my video, write me your opinion about everything what you see, and don't forget about that what I'm not native English speaker, so I'm sorry for my specific English, but I'm trying to do the best. And subscribe on my Instagram, Martisha in the Sea, and of course check my Etsy shop, Martisha C. Was happy to see all of you. Please don't forget to be happy, my sweetie pies, and don't forget to be yourself. Boom.